Hello guys, welcome to Persian Food channel. I'm here with cold yogurt soup. The ingredients are 2 glasses of yogurt, 1 glass of herbs, 3 tablespoons chopped walnuts, 1 cucumber, 2 tablespoons raisins, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon dried mint, 1 teaspoon ground dried Persian rose petals, a quarter of teaspoon pepper. Pour yogurt into the bowl. Add salt to yogurt. Mix them well. Peel cucumber and chop it. Pour in the yogurt. Add dried mint, dried rose petals, and pepper. Add raisins. Chop the walnuts and add to ingredients. Chop the herbs, which include leeks, watercress, basil, chive. Pour into the bowl. Mix them well. Add cold water gently and stirring well. It's ready to eat. We can add ice cubes to the bowl to make the food cooler. We put a few pieces of dry bread in the food. Once the bread is soft, the food is ready to serve. I hope you like this delicious food. If you like my videos, support us by subscribing to our channel. Enjoy your meal!